Möttes, kommer du ihåg det igen? Kommer du ihåg det igen? Du vill ha icy little fingers, då du vet det chalas. All in, ingen broms, schackmatt på din vänster hand. Du är så viktig baby, ja du allians. Du är försiktig baby, men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50 baby, men det är balans. Jag växlar upp med dig baby, ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Aldrig titta på någon annan, varför du med annan? Kom var med mig baby, aldrig lita på någon annan. Finns ingen annan, jag vill ha min chakarinna. Låta och säg ingen sinna. Jag kommer alltid ride with you. 100 gubbar klart jag die for you. Du är så viktig baby, ja du allians. Du är försiktig baby, men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50 baby, men det är balans. Jag växlar upp med dig baby, ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Visa mig vart du finns. Du kommer väl till min city? Nej, jag vet att det finns. Kom då, det är bra lives and all nights, yeah. Jag vet att jag min ni kör det. Skön social, smart good lady. Jag tvivlar det. Visa mig var du finns, yeah. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby.
Tú aquí siempre a mi lado, cicatrices que has curado, cicatrices, cicatrices. En la vida me he enchulado y como tú no hay nadie más. Tú un porro y los demás, jamás. Como pacha y no te echan yeah. Un chorro de niña y tú una mujer, yeah. Aunque tan rica no a tu nivel, yeah. A la única que le quiero ser fiel. Como pacha y no te echan yeah. Un chorro de niña y tú una mujer, yeah. Aunque tan rica no a tu nivel, yeah. A la única que le quiero ser fiel. Me gusta.
Alright, what's up YouTube? How you guys doing? Alright, so I hope you guys had a great weekend. Right, let's mark up gold here. Still bullish overall. And we've got a actually, you know what? Let's use Forex actually here for our markups. Go to the daily. Alright, so on the daily we've got our daily resistance here. Right, so got a daily resistance there. Got a daily support here. And we've got a daily support right here.
Hi, folks.
Hi, Faye. Alright. Let's take a look at the 4 hour here. Got a 4 hour support here. What's it? I need to delete some of this stuff. It's too much. So got a daily resistance here. 4 hour resistance. Yeah, good still looks bullish. Got a demand here. 4 hour demand. And we've got one more down here. Look at the 1 hour. 1 hour. That's the resistance. We should be breaking it. We got this demand here on the 1 hour. What is it? Oh, 1 hour resistance. Got the 1 hour demand here. Got this support here. Got a minute. See what we got here in the 30 minute. 15 minute. Alright, nothing as well. Alright. Alright, so we are done with gold. For that, this 15 minute support here.
I was chilling with the bros who was up for a night out. Yeah, saw you in the cut with that wifey demeanor. Hey, looking so bored out your mind though. You kinda give me the signs.
Alright, I'm gonna split the screen here.
No escaping, heart is taken. I've been waiting, I've been patient. Thought you'd been down, heard you skip down and can't be found. Where are you now, baby? Deep down, I know you be missing me.
Morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Don't know if you recall it, but last time I sang the song won't shine till we meet again. Be waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah. Stormy night, oh yeah.
Alright, I got a 15 minute chart on the right, 1 minute to the left. As of right now, I am still looking for buys on gold, guys, because price is still creating higher highs and higher lows. So I am still looking for buys. I am expecting this 1 hour. So right now, this is what I am looking to do. So now that we are rejecting the 1 hour resistance, looking at this on the 15-minute, I would like to see if we are going to break 24.33. Once we break 24.33, we'll see if we can take sales on the 1 minute. Okay, all right, guys. So I am expecting this 1 hour resistance to be taken out though, but just in case we don't, if we break below 24.33, we should head towards 24.29. So on the 1 minute here, if we can break below, then we can anticipate a retest for us to take this continuation down, and gold might actually continue falling just to tap the higher time frame demand, and we can see it start to push back up. So for now, we wait. The only thing I don't like about this split screen is split chart is that you got to mark the chart all over again on the next screen, which is
You can have them
like
linked.
that. How do I link them?
Go over to that button there.
This one?
Yeah. And then you should be able to like symbol. Should be able to say
interval changes on our chart with the layout. Symbol changes on all charts within the layout. Time.
so I got the symbol linked and the crosshair linked, and my drawings all link together. So try that.
Symbol and crosshair.
Yeah. And put like a new marker on your chart. Just put a line somewhere and see if it links.
Nope.
Lucian.
Maybe I need to close it first. Then try again.
Oh, okay. I see it. I see it. It's
Whoa.
this button here. This thing.
Oh. So I should click on it first?
Yep. Click on that. Okay, now do it.
Nope.
And then draw something.
Oh,
There
okay.
you go.
Oh, so I was supposed to link it before. I mean, I was supposed to split the chart first and then click on this so that. Well, we know this is the 1 hour resistance here. Oh. Okay, now we got to turn it up first. Okay. There we go. All right. We got this super here.
Your love they do me voodoo. She's my new boo. I'm watching her like YouTube.
Okay. Wait a minute, why does it look different? 2433. Yes. Oh, it's this one here. Okay. It's confusing. Alright. Break it. We'll see if we're gonna get some volume today, guys. Good morning.
1 minute is like a whole new world. Yeah, I'm surprised Abe's doing 1 minute. Abe does even like 5 minute entries usually.
You're surprised?
Yeah. Oh, no music on Zoom.
Oh, no music on Zoom? Oh man, I forgot to wait, how many losses have we had? 2 losses. I forgot to update the trades. They can. 201. We're gonna wait for this 15-minute to close. Current 15-minute candle. Okay, it just closed. And let me take a look at the 30-minute here. For now, we got this here. Wait, let me see the 30-minute again. Yeah. Okay. So we got a 30-minute demand here. What is that? Actually, 1 minute. The 1 minute tapped it before it broke.
Oh, you can hit the link button again. So now you don't have to do it on both.
Oh, yeah. You're right. I'll get used to it. Thank you, Jojo. Morning, Abel. I'll be right back, guys. Gotta make me some coffee.
And what did Faye say to Abe to get Abe to use the 1 minute chart? My God.
I never
He's
said anything to him.
He's changed, man. He's changed.
He's changed. Used to be cool, man. Used to be cool.
Used to be cool. We're all about the 15 to 30.
You wait, he'll be back to them in 5 minutes flat.
I saw the webinar. I'm not sure how he's gonna handle this 1 minute chart because backtesting in TradingView, it's a lot easier because you get to pause the candles.
It's not his real thing, so I'd be surprised if he stays with it for very long.
Yeah, I don't think so.
You know, Abe, he'll try something out and then he's quite happy to try something out and then, then he'll just rest back to what he really knows well.
Yeah. I'm not saying Abe can't handle it. I'm just saying it doesn't suit his trading style. Because he's gonna start to measure with our risk reward tool and so forth. You're not gonna have enough time a lot of the time for the 1 minute. It's gonna be like, oh look, there's a setup. Let me go and oh, it's gone.
That's one of the best things about this group, and Abe is just always looking to try and improve, and if it works, it works. If not, okay, we go back to what we know.
Yeah, that's right. That's what I think.
Never standing still. Never standing still.
Yeah.
I do think the 3 minute and 5 minute on the instead of the 1 minute would actually work well for Abe because it gives enough time per candle to assess.
I already thought about what you're saying.
So are you gonna like just you're gonna be like super fast fingered with that risk reward tool?
Yep. The only issue might be I might not have enough time to get in all my accounts.
Oh, yeah, I didn't even think about that. Yeah. Because when I'm trading the tick chart, it's like I'm only trading one account when I do that. I can't trade multiple.
Yeah, that would be the only issue.
remember as well, for me, I'm probably gonna stick to old school just because of the 2-minute rule with Alpha Capital. I don't want to risk too many in and out trades.
Ah, yes.
It's gonna take more than 2 minutes.
That's what she said. But you never know. You never know.
It's gonna take more than 2 minutes.
Man, I remember once we had a US 30 trade, and it was probably about 2 months ago now, but it literally ran about 100 pips in about 30 seconds, and everyone was getting out, and I was like, I've got to fucking hold it. I've got to hold it.
I remember that.
Close. I can't close.
Might not have enough time. See what happens with German 40 here. We're gonna break this. If you're looking to take German 40, you got a 25 pip stop loss here. You can either take this on the 1 minute, or you take it on the 15 minute. $25 pip stop loss on this. So we got some waiting to do on God.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize, no
Guys in. All right.
Yes.
Let's see what happens.
Looking like we're getting something started today. Cause our body no play. Tell them girl levels.
All right, it is the 1 minute.
Murder on the dance floor. How you moving it, babe? I'm taking the bait. I just wanna dance with you all night, yeah. Me no care what happen tomorrow. Girl, you got me caught in the moment. Feeling like I knew you all my life. Oh, I can take my eyes off you, baby. When you pull me close to the body, get the party started now. Girl, you such a good find. You deserve a good time. Let me hold you down. Body floating like a cruise line. Won't you be my moonshine? Cause you are.
Okay, good. It's still going up.
Tell them bring the bottles to the section. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm celebrating with the baddest one here. Looking like a goddess in here. Wanna lose myself with you tonight. Yeah. Forget all about all my sorrows. Girl, you got me caught in the moment.
I'm setting a lot here because I don't want to miss out on gold. Oh. Okay, this ain't looking good. German 40 is still bullish. We've rejected this demand multiple times. That's why I took the buys. So we'll see what happens. Even though we pretty much failed to break it's actually a 1 hour resistance here on German 40. Yep, we failed to break above, but we are still bullish. So we'll see what happens with this trade. First trade on German 40, only 1 minute time frame. We'll see how it goes. Isn't that a head and shoulders on German 40 on the 1 minute? Head and shoulders, where? I don't see head and shoulders here. Oh, it's talking about this one to the left. It's not clean. Oh. It's not a clean one. Yeah, this is not looking good. Alright. That's it. Well, it's very interesting. Okay. Alright, that's a loss for those of us that took it. Maybe give the way gold. I mean, it looked good.
I mean, if you look at the higher time frame, it doesn't look like a very good buy. In my opinion. If you look at, let's say, you poked the high, flipped, and then you look at the 30 and the 15, looks like you're just kind of going sideways, looking like it might drop lower.
Yeah, none of it closed above. Worst case, it should head back and retest this. Since we rejected this multiple times, it should head back up there before coming to the downside. That's what it should do, because it didn't break above. If it had broken above and this happened right now, I'd be like, nah, that's not good. I said it earlier that even though we didn't break above, it should still go up some more before actually falling, since it didn't close above on a higher time frame. Like even the 5 didn't close above, but she's not ready to do that yet. I only took it on my personal. I didn't take, because I have not tried German 40 on the 1 minute. Friday, back tested good on my own on the 1 minute, and then we did it together on Saturday. Haven't done German 40 yet. Still taking trades on the 15 minute though. And gold. I'm not completely ignoring the 15 minute.
Well, you might want to set like a hard limit on how many 1 minute trades you want to take, because it can get.
It's still the same thing. I ain't doing nothing crazy. One to two trades, the same thing. I'm not taking multiple trades. Oh no, I ain't doing that. Nah. What's that? I determined for the look so freaking good, but didn't work.
It actually just filled that tiny little gap, German 40, so it can actually now it's actually a pretty decent time to possibly get a break a structure to the higher side and then get the pullback and start to buy it.
Now.
If you can get like something like that.
Hi, James.
Oh yeah, Mac, that's right. Abe did used to trade the 5-second chart.
What? When? I never traded 5-second chart.
Stop lying. You used to trade options 5 seconds.
That's I don't know. I didn't even do it for a month. I'm not counting that. I'm not counting that. Now, if it's 1 minute, yeah, never traded on 1 minute before. You pretty much still gotta wait for gold. Looking at the 15-minute, we needed to pull back to the 30-minute demand pretty much. And we can actually look to take buys. German 40 on the other hand, gotta at least wait for this to be taken out. Pretty much the 15-minute didn't hold. That's the thing. It was the 30-minute didn't hold. Pretty much the 15-minute that is currently holding right now. Right there. Now you gotta wait for this to be taken out.
Oh yeah, Mitch brought up a good point on the webinar. So if your stop loss is if the range and the stop loss is too small, the trade's actually not really worth taking. Like let's say if you got like a 10 pip and under stop loss, you have to factor in 1 to 2 pip of spread, and sometimes you might get slipped on your entry. And if you get slipped by 1 or 2 pips, suddenly you go from having a 10 pip stop loss and 10 pip TP to 14 pip stop loss and 6 pip TP.
Oh. This move German 40 is doing now should have been done here once we freaking just look at this. How many times? He just decided not to reject the 30 again and actually tap the 15. On the 1 minute, we're pretty much going to need gold to come up back down to this 30-minute demand at least, and we look to take buys there. Plus 25 pips banked on gold. Alright, genius. You must have taken the breakout. Oh, this is actually the 30-minute. Oh, no. It's got the demand here.
Touch again. Maybe it will come a sunny day, a day when I forget you.
Look at this motherfucker. Now she's going. Breakout on the 5-minute. Okay. Did you trade Asian today? Well,
No.
I mean yesterday. I mean.
No. Oh, did any of you guys trade Asian session?
No, I didn't. Not on
Today.
Not on Sundays.
Holy moly's, even Faye said no. What the heck?
I'm always busy with my other job that time of day. Usually.
Alright.
See, well, I was right about this setup.
Excuse me?
I said, you see, I was right about this setup. We just wanted to do some shenanigans.
Yeah.
I don't know about being right.
Yeah, I was.
Yeah.
Pretty much is still even the 30-minute, but if you draw it, you see that, because since it freaking, at least here on the 1 minute, since we actually broke below the multiple rejections, and it came down to the 15-minute, and then we started flipping. So grab liquidity below the lows, and then start going the other way.
Also, there was a gap underneath, which it filled.
Yeah, we just did that today. The same way, it didn't fill it here, instead rejected, didn't fill it here, instead rejected, didn't fill it here, instead rejected. You could do the same thing again. And kept on holding these lows.
The reason why I thought it would go down further is because of how aggressive this push is. It should have just done that, but instead it went too low, which means, in my opinion, I'm like, okay, those buyers aren't strong enough. They're probably gonna, try to fill that little gap that was there.
Maybe once he rejected once, I'm like, okay, there's a chance it could come back down, but then it did it again. Here, after rejecting here, did it again here, and broke these highs. You should continue driving at that point.
I would normally say yes, but not on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, there's a lot of that kind of action.
Anyways. Sorry guys for I'm yawning. Bear with me. When is London session gonna go back to normal on gold?
Probably never.
Yeah, you're right about that, Mitch.
Oh, that's gonna depend on how you're gonna trade. If you're gonna use fixed lot size, then yeah. If you're gonna use fixed percentage, then you're gonna need a one-to-one.
Yeah, of course it's gonna be a one-to-one.
Okay.
I think what I'm gonna do is indices is gonna be 5 and 15 minutes. The result I had by myself on Friday, back testing, and then the one we did together on Saturday, it was pretty good. Really, Mitch? Plus, I actually use a small lot size on that trade. This is the first one, especially the fact that it's German 40. But I think German indices generally stick to 5 and 15. Gold, on the other hand, I have it on the 1 and 15. If I don't like the setup on the 1, I'll wait for the 15.
Damn gold. I want just a little bit deeper of a pullback.
She's not doing it right now. She just keeps going.
I'm looking at that zone right there. It's like just couldn't get there.
When I opened up my chart a couple of hours ago, oh no, I don't know, maybe about 2 o'clock, nearly 2 hours ago, I looked at the daily and I thought, man, gold is just so bullish. It's got to go up to the next zone. So, Pi, I thought I'd take notice of my husband. I just entered a small buy lot, big stop loss. Forget about it.
That's what your husband said, or that's what you did?
Oh, well, he said it weeks ago.
Oh.
We would know. Pi was joking the other day. Yeah, he said ages ago when it was down around 2000. He said, "Oh, I've heard gold's going to go to 3,000. Just buy some and hold it." But I never did.
Oh,
But I
damn.
thought today, oh man, that looks so bullish. It's got to at some point go up there today. So I thought I'll just put a tiny lot size on it with a big stop loss. So we've got 35 pips in profit so far.
It's good that you're in profit.
It
Otherwise,
should,
I'd be saying famous last words.
It
Gotta
should,
go up.
this should actually head to pretty much the daily resistance.
That's what I reckon.
Control.
Yeah. I think it will do. Yeah, there's no absolutes, that's for sure, but it had already broken yesterday's high, so it looks pretty darn good to get up there at some point soon.
We just need that to give us a piece.
Yeah.
Oh man, I did not realize the 15-minute looked like that. It freaking looks like a, what is that, Haikanashi candle or something?
Yeah, that's true. Yep, that's true. This pretty much all these candles. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wonder what the Haikanashi candle looks like. Let's see.
Much?
Pretty much that.
Yeah, pretty close. How you doing, Spence? Damn, Jim and 40. Yeah, definitely would have taken this on the 5 too, even if I was looking at it.
Yeah, and the 5, it looks just as good. But
Yeah,
I don't know, I think 5's more reliable.
yeah, we'll do the 5 and 15. I'm just saying that even if we were looking at the 5 minute, we would have taken it also.
Yeah.
This warning still had, we just got a liquidity grab there. Man, I freaking hate DX Trade. Who are the developers of this freaking platform? It's horrible. Taking German 40 on the 15 minute. Yeah, that's good. What does this look like on the 15? 15, you would have stayed away. Be waiting for a breakout. 5 minute would have been a loss. 15 minute, you would have stayed away. Since we didn't break the resistance. German 40 hit TP. Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, it did hit it.
Oh, what was your stop loss in TP on that
It was
trade?
25.25.
Okay. Oh wow, that's pretty big for 1 minute.
It's indices.
So 25.
15-minute, usually stop loss was like sometimes 40, sometimes 50, sometimes 70, and German 40, depending on the volatility. Waiting for a pullback on German 40 for entry. At this point, you already missed the move. The move was, pretty much from the demand, which we took on the 1 minute, didn't work out, but we eventually went up. So right now, you're gonna need to wait for a BOS. You need to wait for a bigger structure now at this point. Nope. We can still fall as well if we reject the resistance again. Since we're in a range, it's gonna start working its way back to the downside.
I know phase in gold, but come on, gold, please come back down, man.
Mitch, Adrian, do you guys remember the London session back testing we did on gold? How many minutes was it after London session? Did we have to wait for like 30 minutes, an hour before we got it set up? I know the trades didn't take that long, but as far as waiting, I can't remember how long it took. I guess I'm gonna have to watch that video.
Now that I found you, I'm feeling for all your attention. Yeah, hope you don't mind if I give you a tour of my mansion. Yeah, all of this for you, babe. Nothing I won't do, babe. Weak for your love. Everywhere we go, it they be alright.
There is volume, but she just keeps going up, man.
Just wanna make you happy.
The 1 hour just closed. See if we're gonna get a pullback now.
All right, so what Faye said was it should just keep going up, so I should just buy it.
No, I was prepared to put a small lot size on to ride the waves all the way to the top.
No,
It's
no.
not going to go straight there though.
No, buy now.
I think
buy
it'll
now.
have
Buy now.
No, I think it's going to come and give a bit of a pullback at the minute.
No, you can buy now and have your stop loss below 24.23. You'll be safe.
What's that? How many pips is that?
0.01 lot size.
I've done that once before on NAS. I didn't like the feeling very
200.
much.
About 200 pips. Oh wow, you buy it so that we can get the pullback. As soon as you buy it now, it's coming down.
It's true. It's fucking true.
Oh boy. Especially the fact that the new 1 hour just opened.
Oh, yep. I'm gonna be that fucking little bubble on Lucian's chart at the very top of the wick. Then it's just gonna come straight down.
Gold reacting to last week's NWOG. NWOG. What's that? I don't know what that is. What's NWOG?
Next week opening gold. Oh, fucking no. Well,
That's
new
what
week
it means.
opening gap.
Oh, new week opening gap. Oh. New week opening gap. That's interesting.
I don't understand. There was no gap on the weekly opening, was there?
I haven't seen any gap on the weekly.
Yeah.
Except is talking about. Wait, no. That's no gap, yeah. I don't know what this is. Guess this is something we don't. Yep. Another fake out. That's like, yeah.
That's not good. Man, it'll be crazy if it comes down and wicks out the low again after wicking out the high. Damn, gold.
Aussies
Kinda wanna
are
sell
good
gold.
at many things, but not break dancing.
I never took you for a one night stand, and I was hoping to see you again. Yeah, maybe be a little more than friends, you and I. Yeah, but lately you've been acting like a ghost, and never answer when I hit your phone. If you wanna go,
Aussies are not good at breakdancing. Huh.
I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body.
Is that true?
I got no idea.
Tonight doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down.
Someone, so there's an Australian girl who's gone viral for her breakdance in the Olympics, which it was just awful.
Oh, that must be what he's talking about.
Yeah, and no one knows if she was sort of taking the piss or Australia were just trolling the world because it was bad. It was so bad.
Oh no.
Tryna get you out of my head. I wanna take back everything I said. Yeah, I wish I never got in your bed that night. Oh,
Would you look at sales on gold head, low head?
Nope. You see what the 15-minute looks like, right?
Sure.
So I'm not selling this.
When I said I feel like selling gold, that was just like a feeling because I wanted to come down. What I really want is to buy it.
Yeah, I think we're coming into the 30-minute demand to wait for the buyer.
Yep. Of course, on the 1 minute, the range looks so big. I mean, it's a 50+ pip range, but you don't want to take the sell because of that, because it is bullish, and then it could get here, even though it's the 1 minute, it could reject here, reject here, reject here.
Mm.
If it gets here, at least you're lucky. I mean, you'll make money, but Is it worth it when you still have all this minor support here? You could pretty much reject anywhere.
That's on the 1 minute, right?
Yeah, this is the 1 minute.
Yeah. So, I mean, I don't really look at. You actually trade in the 1 minutes going forward, yeah.
Yeah, I'm splitting. Yeah, I'm gonna trade 1 minute on the futures my account though. I'm not that confident yet to take the 1 minute trades on my personal.
It's just a lot of. It's quite choppy on 1 minute anyway. You're gonna get these. You get a lot of those.
I still need to backtest it more. But I'm willing to take it on futures though.
Just go to the 15 minute, just 1 moment, sorry.
It's right here to the left.
Oh, it's 15 minutes there.
To the right, I mean. I think she might keep going to the 1 hour supply. Man, she better not. She needs to pull back before doing that. How many times did we backtest gold on the 15 minute before we switched? Wow. Do you remember?
We backtested it ourselves personally, and then we did it over the webinar like twice.
Oh, okay. Don't take this, guys. Do not do it. Just a paper trade. Just trying to see something here. Don't take it, guys.
Good luck, guys.
Take it.
On YouTube, that is.
All right, calm down, good, calm down.
Keep coming.
So if we do get it set up here on gold, I'll be calling it on the 1 minute for those of us that want to do that, and also I'll be calling it on the 15 minute. We got 1 minute to the left and 15 minutes to the right.
Oh, go to the German 40 chart for a second.
Hmm?
Okay, so you had your entry here, stop loss like here, right?
Mm-hmm. No, it wasn't
But
there.
if you're
It was like around here.
okay. So I'm thinking, let's say if you did have your entry here, but maybe if you had like a higher time frame stop loss, you know what I'm saying? Instead of having a 1 minute stop loss.
Hmm.
Oh no, that's
Yeah,
pretty
it's
steep wick.
not. Let me take a look at it. 5. I mean,
Yeah, it's pretty steep.
at the time, stop loss was below here. Aside
Okay.
from this low, the next reasonable stop loss will be below this minor support, at least on the 5, and that's gonna be too big. I think it's not gonna be enough for a 1-to-1. So probably looking at a 45 pip stop loss. Yeah, you're gonna have a 1-to-1. Even where it rejected, you didn't even have a 1-to-1. And so this is a paper trade, guys. Paper trade. If you take it, well, good luck.
If it doesn't work out, no one on YouTube's gonna say anything. If it works out, you're gonna see some people on YouTube be like, "Thanks, Abe. Killer trade. Just smash TP."
Yeah, 100 pips.
What it did now was what it should have done, because it's pretty much in a range at this point. It's just doing this now. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. That's what it's doing. Now that if we can grab liquidity above this resistance again on the higher time frame, it should come down. It should come down.
Ooh, man, imagine you tried to sell gold just now.
As long as you know how to trade, you can even if you trade on the higher time frame, you can trade the 1 minute. The only thing about the 1 minute is gonna be your entry. That's what you're pretty much gonna have to work on. Your entry model. I'm doing my personal back testing, and the one we did together this past Saturday on the 1 minute. I noticed that the setup that works the most, the entry model that worked the most on the 1 minute is, for example, let's say price is coming down, we get to a support level or a demand level. Once you have that rejection, let it go up. Wait for it to come back down, and then you take the buys. The same thing if you're looking to take sales. We're going up, let it come down, we test the zone again, and then take the sales. This is the setup that works the most on the 1 minute time frame. On the 15 minute, it's a different story. For example, this demand that got retested here, you just wait for it to go up, come back down, retest it, boom, take it. Like that. Man, good doesn't want to pull back. If gold fails to break this new high on the 1 minute, it start crossing this low, it should come down. But are we going to find it easy to break this zone? This is gonna be an obstacle. No, we've not taken anything on gold. What's W? Oh, German 40. You took it, killed a bit?
Oh no, he's saying W pattern, M pattern.
Oh, I was gonna say. What I just explained was pretty much, it was not a deep one, but it was pretty much what I saw, you know. Oh, Jasmine, what are these dots? Oh, well, I'll delete them.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah, I was doing something else in the background. I forgot to take the pen off.
Looks like the volume is kind of dead on gold now.
Actually, the volume's still pretty good. It's just that they're buying and selling the shit out of it in that tiny zone.
You know they're sellers here now. They're like, man, good, this too freaking high up. This needs to come down. Let's sell it. As it's coming down, though, the smart ones will either be trailing their stop loss or just get what they can and get out.
From here, only sellers in the market.
It's looking like it on the 1 minute.
So sell now, Lucian?
No, I think will be only a retest and we'll see all-time high. We need to see big buyers to price go down, not sellers.
God, you can just tell me to sell now. I want to trade. I want the trade. Come on, Lucian, help me.
Sell here.
Sell below here.
If you
Sell
break here,
Sell here.
There we are.
Honestly though, if you start breaking this low, it should come down.
Yeah.
It should come down and pretty much tap this 30-minute demand.
It's okay, I'm good. I'll wait.
See, on the 15-minute, we've got all this clean. And obviously, it's on the 1 minute. You're just going to get all of this, aren't you?
Yeah, whenever you see bullish candles with long wicks, and long bottom wicks, yeah, you got minor support there on the lower time frame.
It's just whether those supports hold or not, whether they're significant. This is where you get kind of caught out. You're looking at the lower time frames, whether they hold.
Yeah.
Oh, Hildebeat's looking to sell.
I probably might take this on futures. So, yeah. Top step.
Yeah, I would too, but it's not this smart. It's not a smart decision.
Mm. I'm not advising anyone to do it.
Even though I do know if it start breaking this low on the 1 minute, it should keep coming down. But I'm not doing it though. I'm gonna sit my behind down and wait for the buys.
Cells would be more appealing if it looked like German 40, where it was just full of gaps.
Gaps, yep. Yeah, there you go. Now you're seeing my reason behind German 40.
I saw your reason. I just saw a reason not to take it as well.
Okay. What's he doing now? There you go. It's coming down. He might even break this low this time and continue to the downside. Come on, gold. Just keep coming down, man. Looking at it 1 minute, you're probably gonna be like, man, this thing is probably gonna take forever to come to this demand.
The volume's quite slow, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think just in terms of you being on the 1 minute, and you would assume that it's candles are moving quicker. So almost feels like we're in the 5 minute or 15. We 15-minute closure below that 1 minute. Probably wait.
Since I saw you, only well wishes for you. Try my best to ignore you. Baby, you one of a kind. Heard you got a man, hope he spoils you. Cause you deserve someone loyal, someone who can adore you. Yeah, I know when you feel good, know when you sad. What get you mad? Things you done been through. I know the real you, and he got your life.
Faye, you in this 1 minute trade sell or not?
I am.
Oh, you are.
You're in a cell?
It looks like it's a good sell setup for 1 minute for sure. Where did you get in? Around here or there?
Let me have a look at my position. 244119.
244119.
Yeah, just exactly where I thought. Over there or there.
Right here.
1 minute.
Your stop loss is where? Above this high, I'm guessing?
No, my stop loss is 2442.
Oh, you just have it above this.
Small one, but it's 1 minute, isn't it? I guess.
You still have a So you have like what, 10 pips stop loss, I guess?
Yeah. Yeah.
So I've just rounded it up to 19.
Mm. Good.
The major high it created would have been better stop loss.
Are you going for 20 pips or?
I've got 20 on the board, but I'll just see what it looks like. I don't actually do
Wait.
hard and fast.
It gave 20 already?
No. I
Oh.
said I've got 20, sorry, on the board, meaning in my mind.
The target.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
If we had higher time frame zones like resistance up there, yeah, I'll be looking to jump in sales to myself. But since we don't, I'm gonna wait for buys.
I think it might only be a 5-minute demand that it's bouncing off quite a way back.
5 minute. Oh, yeah.
What's this one?
Yeah, it's a 5-minute demand it's bouncing off.
Yeah. This is why I hate the lower time frame trading, because I don't know if they get respected, the lower time frame demands.
I mean, the higher time frame will pretty much tell you what's likely to happen. Which is why I'm saying it should continue to fall, because it has pretty much given a sell pattern here on the 1 minute time frame.
Yeah.
I just don't want to take it just because I'm looking at the 1 minute.
You should almost be 20 pips.
It's given, so the high created this low created this high is lower than this, of course, this high to the left, and you should expect it to continue to the downside, breaking this low to pretty much create a new support. Maybe we get another slight pullback, continue to the downside. So it's giving a sell pattern here on the 1 minute. But setups like this, for me, I would rather take it if we rejection of higher time frame resistance, pretty much either the 4, the 1 hour, or the daily. Yeah, the volume is not really there compared to when London opened. Oh, look at German 40.
Oh. Nice.
Hey, you should have taken German 40 sales instead.
I took the buys. I got the buys.
Oh,
I took this. I had a stop loss slightly lower down because I let it go 50% into a 5-minute demand as a stop loss.
Oh, okay. Oh, David, you stayed in the trade. All right. Oh, you took the sales.
Took this
Are you
30
talking
pips.
about the sales or the buys? Oh, you took the sales.
Nice.
That's the only cool thing about the 1 minute. You get it right, easy. You can get 1-to-1 easy.
So I tend to do a bit like what I think Wall does with his tick chart. I do have a really small stop loss, but I tend to go to break even pretty quickly. So if I get it wrong, very little, like just break even.
Oh, if I trade it, I ain't putting nothing to break even. Either I get that 1-to-1 or I don't.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because if you get it right, it should pretty much run because it's done all the rejections and retesting it needs to do.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's tough to do the break even on a 1 minute.
Yeah, it's tough. If you
that's
want
what
to
I-
move stops to be, yeah, just go trade.
Yeah.
Go trade the 15 or 30 minute, 1 minute.
If you worked it out, that's great. I mean, find it.
Fortune favors the brave. I'm sure
Working.
you're not the only one that took the sales, David. Please on YouTube. In 15 minutes, 2 morning stars.
We get this 15-minute close new open candle.
1 minute is just gonna slowly work its way down.
But you must be what 25 pips now.
Yeah.
20 pips.
I was already expecting it to fall. Can it come all the way down? That's the question. That is the question.
On the 15, we have here a big order in this support. We have some rejection here.
Do I buy now?
You can buy it if you want. We will see a 10 pip reaction. Usually it's 20.
Yeah, I wouldn't buy it.
Man, I wouldn't buy this now, even though gold can still freaking go up from here, but I just wouldn't do it.
It's just too risky.
And another bump here in this week. Another seller. And then clean right to here.
Clean what?
Here another one.
Yeah.
This is why I hate the 1 minute, because you can get some vicious candles that just do that. Boom. And it's just like, what the hell? Where did that come from? I'm just like, that's too much.
Yeah. Boom and then boom.
Yeah.
2 minutes it's down.
And then you start to think whether there's news or something you missed or something. But I don't know.
The way gold's coming down is not encouraging for sellers. It's like very slow, just building up and then eventually it's gonna just fucking explode higher.
I'm gonna keep my eye on the 15 minutes. Sorry, sorry. Well, good for you though, Faye. It works out.
You scared now?
I don't know if you heard me before in the last stream. It gives me anxiety looking at those. I'm not in a position anyway, but if I was in a position, and you know, just there's actually very, very little volume anyway, but just that one. Sometimes it just does it.
I prefer it. I think I said it earlier. I prefer taking a sell with this type of setup if we are reacting at a higher time frame resistance in this case. But since we're not, I'm not interested in taking the sells. If we did, I would have taken the sell. And at that point, I won't even expect this 30-minute demand to hold. We'll expect it to come all the way back down to the 1 hour, at least.
You expecting it to come down to the 1 hour now? You reckon?
No. I said if we had a higher time frame resistance.
Oh, okay. Yeah. These candles are too bullish. There's too much bullish momentum for price to come down. I don't think it's going to come down to the 30-minute. Come on. Injection.
Ooh.
Wow.
Damn, what did that? Said I didn't know we might freaking break this low this time around. And she's doing it.
How crazy is that?
Nice trade.
Yeah,
Break high.
like I said it.
Maybe
like,
we should start taking paper trades.
Yeah, when we took the buys, the exact same thing it did as what it should have done when we took the buys. Remember I said it should at least go back towards this resistance. Then we can start to fall.
I hate trading markets like this because it breaks highs, lows, lows. There's no real direction. It's just crushing everybody, buyers and sellers.
Yeah.
I mean, really, since it grabbed liquidity one time above the resistance, which was right here, and it came down to pretty much support demand level, rejected, it should go back up. Then if we reject again, pretty much if the low now rejects the highs that was from previously, it should come all the way straight down to break this low. If it breaks this low, we could tap this support here and then start going back up again. We might just go back halfway to continue to the downside, especially if we get a higher time frame close below this low. It's just market structure and how candles are printing.
What does that German 40 look like on the 15-minute?
Probably horrible. oh, it actually looks pretty clean.
Into the range.
Yeah, pretty clean to the left.
Yeah.
No, no,
But
no.
but
Like pretty
but
clean to the downside now. Like strong bodied candles here and here.
yeah,
This
but
should be able
at
to continue.
at this point you're just gonna have to wait for at least come back to this support towards the 1 hour demand, and then you can take buys from there. Because this pretty much still has bullish structure here.
Yeah, I'd be worried about that.
No, it should. This demand shouldn't hold at this point.
Yeah, I would think it
It
would come
should.
back
It
to
should
test.
come down to the support at least, or this 15-minute demand. I mean, 30-minute demand. And also, we could be looking at this possible weak fill here. Then we could come all the way to this demand here and see it start going back up. Because you see. So on the higher time frame, see this low here. This low needs to be taken out. Pretty much close below this low. Then we can anticipate a pullback. Even if reject a demand, this demand here, but we closed below, we can expect a pullback for it to continue to the downside. But if we do not close below this low, excuse me, that pretty much created this high and this high right here. If we fail to break it, we should continue to the upside. So what I'll be waiting for.
Yeah. The only reason why I said it with respect that is because that 15-minute, that's it's like one sexy candle just dropped. Gold seems to be going up.
Well, please take over for me. I'll be right back. Gotta use the restroom, guys. Can we wait for gold to retest to the current high before going in? What do you mean? I'm guessing for sales. I personally, I'm not looking for sales with this setup. I'm looking for buys.
I don't think the sellers have it.
break up, say that you've had enough. I'm tired of talking again and again, argue about everything. You are my darling. Let's kiss and make up. I know you wanna touch. You call me
See,
every night.
my bubble, 10 to 20 pips reaction, and now can fall. This is I like the 15 on entry king. The entry is always below the bubble. For example, usually the entry was here, the bubble was here, and I know that we break this, we go.
20 pip. Yep, that's nice. This is one of the reasons why I didn't want to take a sell on gold, is because this could be one of those days where you could just close your eyes and buy anywhere and make money.
Yeah.
So I don't want to be that one retard who says, I'm gonna sell it.
Thing is, we could still potentially go down.
Oh yeah, you can. I'm just saying, there's those
Yeah.
days where, it just keeps going and
Yeah.
you look back on it and you're like, why did I counter trend that thing? I could have just closed my eyes and made money.
Yeah.
But now the sales are more safer because we tested these sellers. They've come back down.
Yeah, now it's better because now if
Yeah.
it rejects the highs again, you got double top, break the low.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
these are retested.
No, I'm not calling you a retard, Kill.
Okay. Wow. Wow.
See?
There we are.
That's what I'm saying. It's like,
But
Don't
this
fight
is
it.
why I don't like the 1 minute, because that doesn't look much on the 15. It just looks like it's moved a bit in the candle, and that's what gives me anxiety. Because I'm like, the hell.
yeah.
Yeah, but you use 1 minute only here when it's on
Actually,
important
50 minutes. It's only moved.
important zones.
And I don't even use the 1 minute.
Yeah, I hate it. Absolutely hate it.
It's too much noise for me. I'll stick with it.
Yeah.
Stick with the 15.
For me, I like the 5 and the 15. When
Yeah.
it's much volume, 5 and then 15. 1 minute.
The only time I use the 1 minute is when I'm in heavy drawdown and I think I can control the candles, and I keep praying. Oh, there's a green one. There's a red one. There's a green one. There's a green one.
Yeah. We're at that praying stage, and it's like, what? Actually, I'm gonna get out. No, I'm not gonna get out. It's too much.
1 minute's my last stitch.
Yeah. Usually when you're in a sell from here, you take the 1 minute and you see this demand reacting, another demand reacting, another demand reacting, and go to your stop loss. But
Yeah, definitely.
That's another thing. It's like if you're looking at the 1 minute too much, you'll start, thinking about TPs all over the place. You'll close out your trades way too early or get stopped out way too early.
100%. But I'm not knocking the people that trade the 1 minute though. It's up to them. Just saying, it just doesn't do much for me.
for indices in New York, I think the 5 work better because the 15 is too big.
No.
Yeah.
That's why I think the tick chart's probably one of the better charts because it's not based off of time, it's just based off of how much fucking activity there is.
Yeah. If you have a zone on tick, like a lot of I don't know.
A lot of candles.
Yeah, a lot
A
of
high
candles.
consolidation.
A lot of volume there.
Yeah. Exactly.
trade
So
it.
it's like I don't need to mark it or look for it. I just be like, all right, look at how there's a crazy cluster of candles right here. Okay, well obviously that's a demand because there's so much
Okay.
activity and it burst higher.
Now the buyers start to come in here. No, this is the bad sign for the
Bad
buyer.
I think if
sign?
I'm gonna, sorry, go.
Yeah. When you see buyer on the top of the wick, man, this is not a good sign for the buyers.
I was gonna say if I'm gonna trade the 1 minute, I think I'll be only looking for a max of about 10 pips. Not even that.
Yeah, and if you trade like a percentage base, doesn't matter if the stop loss is 10 pips, 5 pips, 7 pips, you will lose 1%.
Yeah.
If you trade the fixed lots and you have like the maximum 30 pips, when you lose 10 pips, it's good. But if you use percentage risk, doesn't matter the stop loss, you will lose the same.
Yeah.
Because I mean, in the 1 minute, I think it's probably about 10 or 20 pips move anyway, essentially. Sometimes not even that. So, yeah.
5 minute is cool. I like the 5 minute also. I don't like the 1 minute at least, not just yet, but
I like the 5 and the 3 much better. They look more structured, more readable.
Yeah, I think a W on the 3 it's more reliable than the 1 minute.
I think for my marking up, I'd probably use like your 4 hour, 30 minute, and then your 5 for the entries. That's where I go. And then I maybe look at the 2 minute.
I've attempted the 2 minute, like looking at it, but I'm like, I don't know. It doesn't seem to work
And,
very well. I don't know.
Yeah.
A lot of people saying that the 10 minutes is very good to trade because it's between
Yeah,
the
I've
5
looked
and
at the
the
10 minute
15.
too. But I don't really like the 10 minute that much either. It's like very rare that it seems to work out nicely.
Mm.
you're in buys from
I think-
2436. 2436. Oh, down here. Okay.
Nice. Even buys, you should have hit your TP already.
Who's that? Oh, that's Doom. He doesn't do that. He just adds to winners. He wants the whole thing. He doesn't want a piece of the pie. He wants the whole pie.
It's a swing trade. Intraday.
Excuse me. I feel like we will get it set up. It might just come late.
It's a nice rejection on the 15 minute.
Yeah.
You know my friends think that I'm crazy, cause you're all that I can see. I hope that we will make it, cause I'm falling here for real. You know that I can do more, just wanna care for you, babe. Why we keep on playing all of these games? I don't wanna go, cause your love is what I want, babe. You know that I wanna stay this way forever. I wanna stay up all night with you. No games to play, just wanna stay up all night with you. I know that it won't be easy, maybe we're just too
I don't know if I like this splitting the charts of a thing. I don't know. I don't like it. It makes me feel like I'm using a small monitor or something. I don't know. It's weird.
Wow. You wouldn't like mine.
Is that what?
I got the 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, and the tick chart all up and running.
What? And Top Step X?
Yeah, yeah.
Damn.
And some kind of 3D glasses.
Having all those charts helps me to control myself with the tick chart. Otherwise, I'd be popping off trades all over the place.
Yeah, let me see what this
So
will look
futures, you trade the tick.
like.
Yeah.
Nice.
What the hell? Really?
Yeah,
I
it only
gotta-
allows you 2.
Really? I'm paying though.
Yeah.
They want more
Yeah,
money.
me too. I'm paying 2. And it gives me 2.
What the hell, man? You guys are tripping.
Yeah.
And
Go to
Top Step gives me
MetaTrader.
fucking 8.
Yeah.
Top Step X is 8?
I think so.
Huh. Let me see.
Yep, 8.
Where is it?
Yeah, there you go. So you can use the most expensive one, which, you know, TradingView wants you to pay like super premium ultra plan.
Oh. This is too small though. Let me try 4. Okay, this is not bad. Try 2. Hey, why is this better than TradingView?
I know, right? That's what I'm saying. That's why Top Step X is so good. It's like, how can they offer the premium features of TradingView for less than what TradingView is fucking charging me?
I don't know. I might start marking up my chart on freaking Top Step. I mean, Top Step X. This is actually Alpha Futures, but still. I might start doing this. Okay. You know what? We are going to...
Now make sure you link the drawings. Oh yeah, you got it linked.
Is it? Oh, it's linked, right?
Yeah, yeah.
This is NGC. Let me move this to the side and switch this to the. Oh, gotta mark it up first. The only issue is I don't have the settings I don't have it on here. This is MGC, right? Okay. I don't have have enough time for me to do all that. So this is, let's see the color I'm going to use. Nope. This. Trying to think of a color to use here. Oh, that's too bright. Use this one. Okay. Let's see, is this the daily? Why does it look different? Doesn't it look different? Doesn't it look different to
Forex chart?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, you have this pretty much these two resistance here, but you don't have it on. You don't have it on futures. It's just one.
Yeah, there must have been like a contract rollover somewhere.
Yeah.
Which messes it up.
Yep. Okay.
That's the problem with the top step chart, or whatever they call this.
Yeah. They say exist that futures unchanged chart. This will be like Forex.
But at least now the contract we have now is not going to end until December. It's getting close to that resistance. It's getting real close. Is it doing it here though? It's not doing it here. You see?
Doing what?
It's not copying it. It's not linking it.
Huh.
Am I supposed to do it to the left? Maybe.
Jeez, I don't know.
I didn't turn it off.
No, it should be good because you got that. That's the link drawings button.
Yeah, maybe I'm supposed to do it on this side. Trying to find out. Okay. I was supposed to do it on this side. Well. Weird. I can't give all these names right now. I'm gonna do that later. So let's do this real quick. Man, I like this stop step platform, man. Even though this is alpha futures, I keep saying top step. I'm gonna just use this. Even though it's not a 15-minute demand, ignore that.
Baby.
Guess I don't mind if you leave me, babe, so I can feel fine. Yeah, even when I'm happy, you are by my side, and when I close my eyes, you're still stuck on me. You never made it easy for me, baby. You never made it easy for me, baby. Yeah, even if you're gone, you come back at night, 'cause you ain't get me down whenever I'm on the road. You never made it easy for me, baby. You never made it easy for me, baby.
Alright. If we can get up here.
Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright.
This is going to be. Oh no.
Everything good, alright. Like how you think, alright. Always on top, alright. Oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. 'Cause I see you
Alright.
in the future with me. I wanna meet you.
We have to do some chores. Alright.
In the storm, in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, but I don't bad. She a gunshot that blew my
For Top Step, which platform should I get there? Top Step X. Yes, that's the one you should get.
think about. Now I got your back all the way, and everything is alright. I like how you doing, alright, alright. Like how you think, alright. Always on top, oh yeah. Like how you do it, alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think, alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. 'Cause I see you.
I'm still down on my Alpha Futures funded. Still down on that one.
When I see the dream we're chasing true, we don't care for me, yeah.
Same thing with Top Step X. Not really been trading my Top Step X though. Wait, why didn't it change to this one? Oh, it's a different company. Hmm. I tried changing this Top Step X chat. I tried changing it to black, and man, I didn't like it at all.
I just leave it. Just leave it alone.
Yeah, so I'm like, man, I'ma just leave the default settings on there. Because this color is not bad. Doesn't really affect your eyes.
It's kind of like a, I don't know, like brownish black, something.
I think more like grayish.
Yeah, it could be. As long as it's not white. White is just too much.
Yeah. Even if you have a screen protector, I think white is too much, especially if you freaking if you on your computer a lot. You really don't want to have a white background. That's why all these freaking lights that I have, like I try to keep them as far away as possible. And I try not to stare at this freaking light. It's too bright. Man, good is not liking supply and demand traders today. He does not want to pull back. Should have traded your stop loss instead of closing it on TP with German foot. Oh, you took the sell too, Mitch? It's still falling? Oh. Man. That's crazy. What's that support again that I talked about? Yeah, this first one here. Yeah.
I almost thought gold was gonna pull back.
Yeah, me too. You in good buys? Hopefully she does not decide to pull back now. If you're taking a buy from here, if it's part of your strategy, then you can. But if you know it's not part of your strategy, do not take it, because that means you pretty much FOMO'd. And if it doesn't go your way, then you have yourself to blame. I'm looking for buys, but if it does not give me the setup I'm looking for, I'm not gonna take it. If the setup is not there, I'm not gonna take it, even though I'm looking for buys. No matter what you see price doing, even if it's like doing what you analyzed or what you anticipated, but you do not have your setup, there's no point taking that trade, because if you do, you just FOMO'd. Okay, stay disciplined. Stay disciplined. Do I want to get in buys? Absolutely. However, I don't have my setup, so I'm not gonna say, oh, okay, I believe this is definitely buys, and then I just freaking take a buy here just because it's going up. No, that's not my strategy. That's not my setup. Am I in the trade? No, I just said I'm not. The 30-minute setup looks good. Didn't touch anything. The resistance and the support formed on the 30-minute is not even strong enough. Hey Mitch, looks like you really in love with the 1 minute. What 1 minute setup? I don't know the 1 minute setup you're talking about, Mitch. Oh, you want to learn it? Yeah, backtest it more on your own also. And if you like it better, then stick to it. Maybe you'll find your edge like Faye did. $24.45.58 area rejection for gold. Oh, you mean did we reject that? I'm guessing you're talking about on Forex. 24.45.58. Something on the 1 hour. See you're talking about this week here. Yeah, that's where you're talking about. Yeah, we are going to continue up. We rejected it before in the past, pretty much on Monday last week.
Damn, Ghost. Damn.
Yeah.
Hey, bro.
Oh, did you take a sell?
Me?
To me?
No, Jay.
No, I didn't take the same. My sales were over here. Initially, we were over here, but this is my confirmation. This one.
That's good.
If I was looking at sales,
You took a quick sell, got your profit, and got out. Nice.
I think we should still come down. It's just not going to happen now.
It's playing with buyers right now because there are a lot of people trying to buy this. Every break of the highs, breakout buyers will be getting in. And of course, you have some that are trying to sell too. Mm.
You got my heart and I think you know. My girl, baby, let me hold you. Wanna make you mine tonight. Oh my, yeah.
Man, I don't know. We'll see what happens in the next 30, 36 minutes. Oh man. Do we have news today though in NY? Oh no, we're good. No news. At least red folder. Hey. This buy right here. Where is it? We go to the 15-minute because that was where I was looking at it. I was gonna take these buys, but I'm like, man, it's freaking Sunday. I don't want to do that. Said I'm not gonna take Asian session trade on Sundays. I wanted to take it, but I didn't take it.
Wow, that's late Asian session.
Yeah, it was late Asian session. It was like, what time did I sleep? It was like almost 11 o'clock my time.
Let's pretend this isn't my
Mm-hmm.
life. Let's pretend it was a great night. Let's pretend that it was real nice. Let's pretend that it's a movie.
Let me play some NBHD Nick. Oh, just play this.
That's where I do my best.
And I'm just gonna use one. And we switch between 15 and 5. Okay, yeah, this is better. I ain't got time for. Yeah, let me see everything like this.
$500,000 on the way, then $1,000,000 on the way. Eating good full plates, eating good say grace. Eat her up, get thanks. She got cake birthday. I can't waste no way, I can't waste no play. My girl, whoa, whoa.
We just need gold to pull back to this 30-minute demand.
Hit the road running, I had to tell her I had to get it. She understood, but she spoiled, so when she get mad, she dip. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back, down road, now we
Yeah, the time is actually fast today. It's like almost 4:30 my time, and I must have been here for 2 hours and 30 minutes.
That's because you're looking at the 1 minute chart, keeps your brain active. Hey, I'm not joking. If you're staring at this the whole time, you'd be like, man, it's fucking not doing shit.
You're probably right.
Best friend.
We're gonna do 5 and 15. No. I don't know if we're gonna get it set up this session, but we'll see. Oh boy. Through.
I like the less towards the last 1 or 2 seasons.
But I will admit, season 1, season 2, yeah, was the best. Especially that first season. Oh boy.
No, you know it's like kind of like a knockoff of Shawshank Redemption. You seen that movie?
What movie?
Shawshank Redemption.
No.
Oh man, that's basically what Prison Break copied. It's one of the best movies. Sorry, go ahead.
Wait, what was it called again?
Shawshank Redemption.
Wait, can you spell it? Not the redemption, but
Edwin got it in the chat.
oh, Shawshank Redemption. What? I never heard of this one. Is it a movie?
Yeah, one of the greatest of all time.
1994. Oh, I never saw this one.
And when you see it, you're gonna be like, "God damn, Prison Break, you copied them."
Dude, who's the brother? It can't be both of them.
Oh no, it's just. Yeah. Sorry, go ahead, Pi.
No, yeah, they're not brothers. They're just they meet in prison, become very good friends. It's really good. It's really good to watch.
And they both escaped.
Watch it. I don't want to ruin
Warning,
it.
don't believe the AI trading hype until you watch this entire video.
Yes,
Hi, I'm Lane
I
Mendelson.
don't
I'm the
believe
president
AI
of Vantage
trading
Point
hype
AI, the
either.
leading market forecasting software that's helped over 35,000 traders find life-changing trading opportunities.
Okay, that's it. You lying.
Ladies and gentlemen, you've heard all the evidence. This was revenge. He fired the gun empty and then stopped to reload.
You strike me as a remorseless man, Mr. Dufresne. I hereby order you to serve 2 life sentences back to back.
They send you here for life. That's exactly what they take.
I'm Mr. Norton, the warden. I believe in 2 things: discipline and the Bible. Here you'll receive both.
Why'd you do it?
I didn't, since you asked.
You gonna fit right in. Everybody in here is innocent. Hey, what you in here for?
Didn't do it.
He had a quiet way about him. A walk and a talk that just wasn't normal around here.
On the outside, I was an honest man, straight as an arrow. I had to come to prison to be a crook.
I think it would be fair to say I liked Andy from the start.
Think you'll ever get out of here?
I don't think so.
Open this door!
I guess it comes down to a simple choice, Billy. Get busy living, or get busy dying. There's something inside that they can't get to that's yours.
What are you talking about?
Hope.
Okay, I'm gonna watch it. Oh, okay. I didn't close it. Let's see, where can I watch it again? Philo, YouTube, Sling. Oh shit, I'm gonna watch it on Amazon then. Okay. This movie better be good, or else it's automatic ban.
Don't worry. You can ban me if it's not good.
Yep, I'm gonna watch it on Amazon Prime. What's the name of the movie? Shawshank Redemption. The Shawshank Redemption. Damn, it's 2 hours and 22 minutes. Sheesh.
Man, look at that. It's got 9.3 out of 10. Like, how many movies can get a 9 out of 10?
Wait, is this movie more popular in life? Eddie Murphy and Martin Lawrence. Is this it? Yep. Know this movie? Oh, this
Man, I
one.
don't think I've seen that.
Oh, you need to watch this. I've given you something to watch. Life,
Alright.
man, this was very good and funny at the same time. It was very good. That's a good movie. Life, yeah, that's a good movie. That's a classic. Yeah, the 15 clearly let you know there's no problem. Oh, wow, you're definitely right. Now that I'm looking at the 15, I'm getting bored. And the candle. Man. It's kind of looking like we're gonna have to wait for NY session to have a great trading day. Because looking at gold now, we still got to, based on how we trade, we still got to wait for price to pull back to this 30-minute demand. And looking at how low this volume is, I don't know if we're gonna get it, but we'll see. I'm gonna wait for maybe 20 or 30 more minutes. Because in the next 20 minutes, it's going to be 5 a.m. my time, and that means you got an hour left before pre-New York.
Pick it up, that went way up. Bend that mouse to feed, I pray that check flow stay up. All of my bros, they been my bros, I'm talking day one.
Yeah, man.
Been at boys. Me and my bros do road, new keys, no deal, we been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros trust God on God, I swear we been at next. I've been on go since a kid, 9 guys for the kids. Where I keep winning you sick, keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid, 9 guys for the kids. Where I keep winning you sick, keep making that
The fact that he keeps rejecting up here is not a good sign right now. Pretty much in the range right here. Pretty much right here. We've not been able to break above the previous resistance that we formed. So this thing, we could still fall from here. Well, I was gonna get Apex Challenge, but I don't understand this. Their what do you call it? Their checkout page sucks. I was gonna go for. This is the one you're using, right? Rhythmic? Wow. Oh, you're using the
No,
Trader
I'm
Vate
using
plan.
Trader Vate, but you could use Rhythmic. It doesn't really matter.
Oh, I thought you
don't
said
think so.
I thought you said you're using Ninja Trader with them.
Yeah, both will connect to Ninja Trader.
Oh, including the Trader Vate one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Just gonna get this one. So I don't freaking like this checkout page makes no sense to me. Like if I put in all my information, then where I don't see where
then
I
you
need to
tick the
click.
box. Once you tick all the boxes, it should come up with a area that you can.
Okay.
And make sure you put in the coupon code, otherwise you're not going to be happy.
I didn't see a coupon code.
Yeah, there should be a coupon code for the 80%.
Yeah, there's nothing there. There's nothing there.
Okay, hold on. Let's find the coupon code.
Yeah, I was gonna do it and start today. Yeah, since I figured it out, I can just get that out the way and start doing that. Why? See how it goes. You have a sell and go at 24.45 and TP 24.38. Should you hold it or close it now? Anything can happen here. We could fall or we could continue to the upside. However, with the rejections we've pretty much been having, I am expecting it to fall. Now, should you hold or should you get out? I don't know. That's up to you. That's up to you. I'm pretty sure you were confident in the trade. That's why you took it. Excuse me. Because if you're not confident in the trade, then there's no reason for you to take the trade. So, such that here there's a 50% chance here we could go up or we could fall before we go back up. I don't know. Every single setup that I take them because I was confident in the trades. If I win, fine. If I lose, hey, it is what it is.
I don't get it. Why is there no fucking coupon code on their website? What the fuck's going on?
Yeah. Oh, Dan posted the coupon code. Let me see if I can copy this. Let's see if it works. I think this is like $500, something like that. Where do you put the coupon code? Let's see.
Yeah, right there. Okay, it gave you the little tick.
Okay, why is it not showing me how much I need to pay?
It'll show you on the next page.
Oh, okay.
It'll ask you for the payment details and stuff like that.
Oh, okay.
But I did the 50K plan, not the 250K. because of the easy profit target.
Wait, what's the perfect target of this 250? I didn't even look at it.
Damn, it's gonna be hard.
Under K is 6K, 150 is 9K, 250 is what? 15K.
And then you got 6.5K drawdown, so that's gonna be difficult.
Okay. You're not too confident in your own trades. Well, I think you should wait until you're confident in your own trades. Or if you're taking your own trades, just reduce your risk. Reduce your risk and make sure your overall account size is actually what you can afford to lose. What do I think about German 40 now? German 40. Oh, you missed the buy setup. I would have taken a buy. I talked about this setup earlier. This is the 5 minutes. I would have taken a buy. I would have taken a buy here. You missed it. You should have said something earlier. Stop loss 30 pips. This definitely should be a winner too. Because German 40 is still bullish. This low right here is just a minor low. Okay, this is a minor low here. This is the low that created this high. All right, you broke the minor low. All these lows are minor lows. You have your major low pretty much around 17,615. This is your major low here. Pretty much as long as German 40 does not break this low down here, any of these demand zones you guys see can push German 40 back up. Yeah, we had a minor BOS, but what is the momentum? What's the structure looking like here? It's still bullish. So if you want to still take German 40, for now I would tell you buys. There's a chance we could pull back towards this 5 minute demand. If that happens, we reject, you can look to take buys. But I'm not expecting this to reject as of right now. This should continue pushing up. In fact, this should go all the way back up here. All the way. I could be wrong about this going all the way up, but we should be going back to the resistance now. That's how we should be. So wait for a possible retest of this 5 minute demand. You might get it and you might not. You're welcome. I was right about German 40 rejection 1 hour. Rejection 1 hour. Rejection 1 hour. Oh, the lows on the, yeah. I don't know, if I saw this, I might have taken this.
I would have taken it.
Yeah. Yeah, if I saw this, I might have taken it. Well, that ship has sailed.
Yeah.
That's a nice. That's a very nice setup.
I get love in Europe even. Ball so hard I used to play. I'm never giving up. You roll like a semi truck. Say what I'm saying, yeah, you're a parent now. Yankee on my head, I guess that I think that I'm dead.
I'm gonna do something. I was never gonna do this on my YouTube, but I'm gonna do it just this one time. I know it's not gonna get a lot of views, but that's fine. Who knows? Maybe it might get a lot of views. But anyways, I'm really gonna show you guys how you look for positions. I'm gonna make a video on that and put it on my YouTube. If you like, watch it. If you like, don't watch it. But it's going to help you if you do. Yeah, I don't know about gold today. I mean, not today, this session. Your broker didn't tap anything on German Betty? Oh, you were watching it? That's why you probably didn't say anything. You wanted a deeper one slightly? Oh, it's actually a good zone to look for to take buys, Edwin. Just like I said, German 40 is still bullish. And as long as this low is not taken out, you're good to take buys. Man, I don't even want to look at it right now because, man, the setup is so freaking amazing. Damn, I'm kind of mad I missed that one. Shows like 3 pips away from your 1 hour demand with no bottom wick. What demand did I use here? Oh, I still 1 hour? Oh, okay, it's still 1 hour. Wow, please take over for me. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick.
Yep. Yeah, Gideon. That commercial Abe was watching, like talking about like don't get scammed by AI trading bots until you hear about my AI trading bot.
to you. Only wake up if I'm next to you. You extra too. I subside with some extra too. X and O's. Trying to stay on my P's and Q's. Need my boo. When I get lost, you gon' see me through. Pedestal. I put you on a pedestal. Edible. I need you like my vegetables. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. Next to you, only wake up if I'm next to you. Sexy too, make me wanna get sexual. My bestie too, and my bestie boo. Test me too, but I love when you test me too. Tough on the back, move snuggle to cool. Oh for sure, you my number one, then my number one. You the go, love it when I'm here, but miss you on the road. Oh you know, hate it when I leave. You know I'll be on. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away.
It's like the buying pressure's falling off. Gold.
Yeah. I wouldn't say the buying pressure's falling off. I'd say the volume is falling off.
Yeah,
because it's still going.
Yeah, it's still going.
Yeah.
But as the wicks and the bodies start to start thinning out, start seeing sellers potentially looking at potentially coming in, and also King, can you go to the 4 hour? Just 1 minute.
Oh, he's not here.
Oh, he's not. What I was saying is there's still a potential reversal on the higher time frame that could potentially bring us back down to the 30-minute demand. But I really can't see the screen anymore.
Off of that high rejection on the left-hand side you're talking about?
Yeah, just try and get some numbers. Are you using futures or Forex?
Either one's fine.
Okay, so I was thinking of, potentially on the higher time frame in the 4 hour, we got to the left 24.84 spot 2. It's potential rejection to the left. So I can't mark it out on the screen. But also, we've got
say that number again.
24.82.83.
Oh, on the futures chart.
Yeah, futures. Sorry.
Okay. Yep. Yeah, I can reject around here. But since it's, obviously breaking structure to the high side, pullbacks to be met by buyers.
Yeah, I don't think you'll obviously go down to anywhere 24 62 anywhere along there, but I'll reckon around about here we'll probably get a pullback to about 24.73.
Yeah, pulling back to 20. Yeah, the 70 areas, pretty doable. You actually have like a pretty good risk to reward scenario here. If you can get it to pull up a bit more, you take a sell off of those highs, targeting down to 70s.
Yeah.
Or at least 77, which is like that minor resistance, which possibly turns to support.
Right. Take control. Big screen. Oh.
Yep. Hilda beats right. The safest bet is let a few lows break. Let it start making some lower lows, lower highs, then you start taking it. Right now it's still making higher highs, higher lows, even though it's not impressive. It's still doing it.
If anything, I'll be looking sells.
Okay.
Just to be safe. So,
What were you guys talking about the 4 hour?
I was talking potential areas of this reversal. Coming down.
Oh.
That's what I was talking about.
I go,
Oh.
yeah, I don't go that far back to. I don't go that far back.
Go to the 1 hour for a second.
Take a look at the immediate left. 1 hour.
Yeah, I was thinking he was
have
more
this,
talking about possible that this area.
Yeah, we could get some. We could get some rejection there, but I think this is going to break. It's going to break it.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, no, I was talking about that. So I think you kind of see him for
24, 45, 65 on Forex. I think it's going to break. I feel like it's just trying to bait sellers in and then freaking take their money. The bullish candles we have right now, the bottom shows strong minor supports on the lower time frame. Up there we go. On the 1 minute, up on the 5 minute, still looks bullish. The 15 minute, pretty much if we can break below 24.39, I'm not saying take the breakout. If we can do something, what the hell? If you break this 15 minute minor support here around 24.39, as long as we do not come straight down to the demand. So let's say we close below here, you wait for that pullback, and then you take a sell. That is the safest sell you can get. But if you're trying to take a sell right now, I don't know. Looking to the left, there's nothing telling me to actually be trying to sell gold right now. Oh, there you go, German 40. She's pulling back. If that 5-minute demand holds, this thing should continue. Yeah, gold has no volume. YouTube, low volume on gold this session. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. God bless you all. All my links is down below in the description. Okay, sorry guys, my mic went off for a minute there. So as I was saying earlier, no trade on gold this session, but we should be able to get one during NY session. Gold should be better during NY session. So YouTube, God bless you all. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. All my links is down below in the description. Whether you want to get mentored by me, trade live with us pretty much all 3 sessions, Monday to Friday. If you're interested in that, use the link in the description. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow, God willing. See you guys tomorrow. I'm out of here. Well, Zoom, everything should be good during the NY session. Hopefully there'll be nice volume. So I'll see you guys in a few hours.
Yeah.
Thanks, Abe.
You're welcome, guys. See you guys later.
None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash digital, the dash digital. Go, go, go. Digital, the cash digital, the dash digital. Run it up. Digital. Stepping like Marty McFly, stepping I feel like the guy. I got them looking like why. I never doubted me why. I never doubted my guys. You know you in it for win. I stand on 10, you on 10. I don't have friends of a friend, only the fan of the kin. Only my wife and my kids. That's all I needed to win. Now I only trust my true friends. Had to cut off my loose ends. You know I win if you win. You know you win if I win. I swipe that cash, don't fold. I swipe my bank on gold. Don't think that I've been dumb. I spend like I've been broke. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash digital, the dash digital. Go, go, go. Digital. The cash digital, the dash digital. Run it up. Digital. Living my truth, no tricks. I'm trying to feed my kids. I'm trying to keep my way. I'm trying to live my life while we get rich. Mind my business. Money gon' come, some go. Man, if you know, you know. I've been through highs and lows. Here for the ride, I go. Slide and roll. Up and down, but I get up. The numbers crunching, no sit-ups. I grew up and got dripped up. Purple label, my get up. That's 101, not a one and done. Month to month, and there's more to come. I told Cushy, let's run it up. Now it's millions on millions. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash digital, the dash digital. Go, go, go. Digital. The cash digital, the dash digital. Run it up. Digital. It's asleep and I've been up since 6 a.m. Early bird gets the word what it is. You're still sleeping, I've been up since 6 a.m. Early bird gets the word what it is. All these birds, they get curved what it is. I don't frown a lot. Lately blessings coming down a lot. I see my fam, I can't be down and out. Since 17 they tried to knock me down. Don't ever count me out. I could go round for round. Don't need no friends, don't need no one around. I get some blues, I get to thumbing down. It comes to me, don't do no running around. No time for running around. I get upset when things don't go my way. I get upset, but I cannot complain. I save a bag to spend on rainy days. Diamonds for my bay, those type of things. 10 a.m. You're still sleeping, I've been up since 6 a.m. Early bird gets the word what it is. All these birds, they get curved what it is. Okay. Hold up, wait a minute, let me say something. How could you be stagnant when it's bass thumping? Cause she threw the hoop and I grabbed it and dunked it. My game comes to me, no, I'm not forcing nothing. I'm on go mode, please don't wait up. Me plus motion, that's a layup. Pick and roll, give and go. Take it, finish strong. Night after night, remember when I would stay up. Fight after fight, knocked down, but I found a way up. No picking sides.